It's nice.
Alright guys, we're here with Crystal today. So Crystal will get you to just tell us a little bit about yourself, what you do for your, your health, fitness, and all that.
So I work out at the gym. I do hypertrophy training 4 times a week, and I teach yoga 3 times a week as well.
Awesome. And you're a Chiro student as well?
Yes, fourth year Chiro student.
4th year Chiro. So another couple of years and you're released you to the wild.
Yes.
So in terms of like with your body as well, obviously being Chiro student, you would have had treatment along the way. So what sort of issues are you getting with your body in terms of, obviously you do a lot of study, do a lot of training, so yeah, what sort of issues are you getting?
I get quite a bit of like upper thoracic pain and quite a bit of tension through my shoulders, my neck and my jaw, quite a bit of like tension type headaches as well.
Okay, how often do you get them?
Once a week, maybe
so
once a fortnight, yeah,
okay,
pretty regularly.
So still pretty regularly, okay. And how's things like your overall like sleep quality and stuff like that?
Sleep's good.
Sleep's pretty good.
About 8 hours a night.
Yeah, cool. And how much sort of sitting down are you doing at the moment between studying and all that sort of stuff?
Like all day,
yeah,
basically, yeah. Besides so my gym training.
Yeah, so that's like one of the big things, even though you're doing a lot of gym work and that obviously does put a physical stress on the body. Probably arguably even the bigger ones is prolonged sitting, poor posture, high stress, amount of sleep people are getting those things. So even though sleep's good, it's probably like prolonged sitting and stress with uni, that's probably the big thing. So, okay, what we'll do, we'll basically do a few, and we'll do a few like tests to sort of see what's going on with yourself, and then we'll do some adjustments and integrate them, okay?
Cool.
Beautiful. So I'll get you, start off with, we'll get you standing where you are and facing that way. Yeah. So we'll get you just bending over and touching your toes. Getting any discomfort in your lower back there?
A little bit on the right.
On your right, okay. Through there, okay. And then coming back all the way. And extend back all the way. Yeah, pretty jammed up there. You getting any discomfort there? Yeah. Pretty on both sides or still on that same on the right?
Both sides, but more on the right.
More on the right, okay. And rotate through the left. Any discomfort there? Okay. And to the right all the way. Any discomfort there? That's okay. So just obviously exacerbate a little bit during flexion and a lot worse than extension?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Do you get any pins and needles, numbness like that anywhere in your extremities, hands, feet? Where do you notice that?
In my arms, when I do like an overhead stretch,
Yeah.
after about 20 seconds, I get 4 pins and needles done, like on the distribution.
Yeah, okay. And is that just on the left or bilateral?
Both, more so on the left though.
Worse on the left, okay. All right, what we'll do, I might even get you to take your glasses off for this one. So we'll get you on your back and we'll go face up.
Yeah.
Just do some tests for your hip flexors to keep that nice and strong and just resist that all the way.
This is my bad leg.
So you go, okay. Yeah, not much there. And that one's strong. Yeah, so lost function bilaterally, but obviously significant on that right side. You just had absolutely nothing. So they just neurologically wasn't firing, but still you can tell the left side wasn't 100% either. Okay. Yeah, definitely hip flexors in there, both sides. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll get you breathing in. This will suck a bit. And out all the way. And in. And out. And in. And out. And in.
Oh.
It's nasty, isn't it? And in. Okay. Breathe in. And out. And out. And out. And breathe in. Yeah, they're both pretty funky through there. And out all the way. I think it's the left one, you've got a lot of like fibrous sort of
I have endometriosis,
yeah.
so there's a lot of scar tissue in there.
Yeah. Okay. That all the way, that's good. Cool.
You wanted one of those for so long? Oh, thank you.
Alright, so just relax through here. This one will suck, a little popless hips release. So obviously, as you know, this plays a big role with like locking and unlocking the knee.
Yeah.
Heaps of people, this muscle is like not, even if it's generally not painful, but once you're on it, releasing it, it's a nightmare. But there we go. But normally it won't just be just sore on its own, but once you get on it, release it. But often it is quite dysfunctional and affects the mechanics of your knee. In terms of, I find a lot of people releasing this, it helps with a significant amount of knee issues.
My knees have been clicking a lot. I just thought it was from my hip.
Which can be as well.
Yeah.
It can be. I mean, things like that can come from the ankle, from Up to your hip flexor, hip, lower back. Yeah. It's not great. Okay. So you're teaching yoga? So how long have you been practicing?
I got my qualification in 2018.
Yep.
And I only really started doing it maybe a year before I became a teacher.
Yeah.
But I did my teacher training to deepen my own practice.
Yeah.
And then, on the way it was like, need to teach other people, need to share this with people.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a nice balance with like hectic weight training as well.
Oh, for sure. Definitely. Okay. There, breathe in and out. There we go.
It's nice.
We'll get you switching arms around. Let's do the other side. Different teeth right here. Now breathe in and out. Let that one go all the way. There we go. Okay? Go on. All right, so what we'll do, I'll get you sitting up facing this way for a sec. All right. Yeah, definitely in there. Great. Throw out there as well, okay. Yeah, right, lock spot's no good. So what we'll do, just let your head just flop all the way. Just let that flop all the way, yeah. Just let it go a little bit more. Right, you touch right shoulder. More. Yeah. There we go. It's okay?
I thought you were going to knock my hearing aids out.
What was it, sorry?
I thought you were going to knock my hearing aids out.
Try not to. And that left ear touching left shoulder. Just all the way, just let that one just drop and relax. Cool.
That's nice.
Your traps.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. They're next level. They're next level. Alright. I'll get you doing an overhead press. I'll let you this will suck you. This is the punishment for doing.
Oh my god, ow.
Yeah. Okay, and release that. Keep breathing through it. And breathe through it. And breathe through it. They're very bad for there. How would you say stress is overall? Out of 10?
7?
7, yeah.
I have some strategies in place, but uni is just constant.
Yeah.
It's relentless.
Yeah. So when you're a fourth year chiro, obviously they don't release you to the wild, so where do you practice your adjustments on?
My partner, who's
Yeah.
also a fourth year student. So we're just constantly working on each other.
That's it.
Haven't really been given like how to do a lot of like the treatments yet though.
Yeah,
So we're like,
yeah.
we've got all these problems, we don't really know what to do with them yet.
Exactly right. That's the beauty of chiro school, giving those solutions.
No heaps about diseases we can't work with.
Exactly right. Often I find that in uni they teach you how to be a shit chiropractor and a shit GP, and not as opposed to a really good chiro and focusing on chiropractic. Okay, to the left, to the right, all the way. Okay, what we'll do, got a good one for you. On your back, face up, knees down, yeah. Okay, so I'll basically use this wine strap. You haven't had this done before?
I haven't, no.
No, okay. All right, probably go a little bit further down. All right, just a touch. Yep, perfect. And chin up. Chin up. Yes. Okay. So with this one, this is just like a decompression adjustment basically. So.
Grade 5.
Chin up. Sorry?
Grade 5.
Grade 5 decompression. Yeah, so let's be a bit more forward. So let that one just relax and breathe into it and out, and I'm going to go boom. Okay? So just breathe in and out all the way. Let that one go.
Wow. Whoa. Woo! I was terrified of that, and it wasn't that bad.
No.
I watched the video before, and it was like, oh my god, what's going to happen?
You know it was coming.
Yeah, I knew it was coming.
How did it feel compared to what you would have thought based on the video?
Not anywhere near as intense really relieving.
Yeah.
Really
yeah.
nice feeling.
Yeah, no, good.
Would go again.
Yeah. Would recommend.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, we'll get you on your tummy for me, thank you. Face down. And obviously that's a tool that no one, probably even the first few years out of being a chiro, should really be using. It's I definitely don't teach you that one at chiro school, but like it takes a lot of experience to know who to apply it to, because it's definitely not something that's appropriate for everyone, and it's not appropriate every visit for people. So you might do it every now and then, depending on how compressed things are.
We learnt it with the towel, just like as a mope.
With the distraction through yeah. So there's adjustment that you can do through there as well, which I do that often as well. So, but I wouldn't do that after I've done a wire strap on someone. No, because they have a similar sort of effect.
Oh my god, ow.
This one sucks.
Oh.
Yeah, very kyphotic from there. Okay, that right leg straight, raising up and down, and up, and down, and up, down, and up, and up. Okay, that left leg up, and down, and up. Okay, so what we'll do, heel touching bum. Okay, heel touching bum.
Oh, I'm so weak.
Go again.
I'm trying so hard.
Go this side again. Yeah, you can tell your whole right side.
Yeah.
Through there.
I get referred pain down my sciatic distribution to my calf. It's just intermittent.
All the way through, okay. Is that more pain or more of sensation?
Pain to my glutes, sensation to my calf.
Yeah. On your side, facing out to the right, so we'll hit this side.
Don't tell me lefts and rights when I'm face down.
Sorry?
Lefts and rights don't make sense when I'm face down.
So I'm going to go a little tap on the shoulder. Just like. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, put your hand on that hand. Just like that. Okay, and on your back, face up. Retest size. Strong fight. Good.
Damn, okay.
Left one. Good, and on your tummy again, I want to retest that glute. And that hammer. So relax. Heel touching your bum. Good. And up. Resist. Good, okay. And sitting up facing the wall for me, thank you. What we'll do. Okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Just like overwhelmed.
So this can just help a bit with the shoulder capsules. Improve.
I've never had that.
Okay. Just try that. Yeah. And breathe in and out, and breathe in and out, and rotate through to that way, rotate through the other way.
That's really sharp.
Get some pinching there. Right. Just try and release in there.
Ooh.
All right. Okay. And that right arm like this. Okay? Yeah. I'm pushing. Good. Yeah. This one here, push. Good. This one here. Okay. And I'll get you, we'll retest your lower back, so we get standing here facing this way. Yeah. Okay. So, and bending over and touching your toes. How's that feel?
No pain.
Good. And extending back. Extension back all the way. How's that?
No pain.
Good.
Fabulous.
Awesome. Very good. Cool. So that's you adjusted really well through there. Obviously, it's probably a bit different style to maybe what you've probably had in the past as well.
Definitely prefer the hands-on style.
Yes.
Yeah,
So, and when you're saying hands-on, people like it's probably more like the physical.
Yes.
Probably more of a physical style because like with chiros, obviously some chiropractors do as little as just using like a little activator machine. Other people just use a drop piece. Some integrate that with some manual adjustments. Some just focus on the spine. Others do full body. And one of our things we think, I mean, I do here definitely. I do a lot more physical approach. So it can be pretty uncomfortable whilst you're getting it done. But it's one of those things it does. I find does have a, and you know, for different, everyone's different. Like some people they might need or might be have a preference for a bit lower force. Most people that see me, they generally come because they want something a bit more physical and a bit more hands-on, and they want to feel a bit more the tissues getting worked on and getting adjusted a bit more firmly. Awesome.
Really good.
Awesome. Very good.
Thank
Fantastic.
you.
Do well.
Excellent.
Awesome.